you know, if you're looking for entertainment, they've got you covered over at Dakota area. Because they have rehearsal for murder, dinner, theater. It
service members and their families by providing the latest and the greatest information possible. Information provided also includes off-base activities to keep in touch with our host nation friends. Keep up to date with everything going on in your neighborhood, eliminate the ruin wheel, and visit Fleet Activities Yokosuka's Facebook page.
Yokosuka's Child Development Home Program is looking for new providers for home-based child care. To get started, stop.